Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
When Lord Buddha was here, did he sit down and meditate?
Yes.
Well, I thought you can't, in this age you can't meditate. But Lord Buddha, who was God's son, he meditated.
Yeah.
But that wasn't the age of Kali?
Yes.
It was?
Yes.
And how can you meditate?
Very good. Therefore, we are better than Buddha. We say meditation is not possible. Do you understand now? Lord Buddha said, meditate, but the followers of the Lord Buddha could not. They failed. We are giving new light that meditation will fail. You take this. Is that clear? Yes. If somebody has said you something, and if you are a failure, then I say, you don't do this, take this, it will be nice. So just like you are a child, you cannot meditate, but you can dance and chant Hare Krishna. Lord Buddha knew that they cannot meditate. You are very intelligent boy. But in order to stop their nonsense, he simply said, sit down, meditate. That's it. Just like a naughty boy is creating mischief, his parent says, my dear John, sit down here. He knows that he cannot sit down, but for the time being, he will sit down. The father knows that he will not sit down, but at least for the time being, let him stop this mischievous activity. All right, chant Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,